IoT and public safety. The Internet of Things, IoT, has the potential to significantly improve public safety by enabling real-time monitoring, analysis, and response to a wide range of safety-related issues. Here are some potential applications of IoT and public safety. Smart city infrastructure. IoT sensors can be embedded in street lights, traffic signals, and other city infrastructure to detect and respond to safety hazards such as accidents, natural disasters, or crime. Wearable technology. IoT-enabled wearable devices such as smartwatches, body cameras, and health monitors can be used by police, firefighters, and other first responders to monitor their health, location, and activities in real time. Emergency response. IoT sensors can be used to detect and respond to emergencies such as fires, floods, and earthquakes. For example, smoke detectors, water level sensors, and seismic sensors can be connected to a central system that alerts emergency services when an incident occurs. Predictive maintenance. IoT sensors can be used to monitor public safety infrastructure such as bridges, tunnels, and highways to detect potential safety issues before they become critical. Overall, IoT has the potential to significantly improve public safety by enabling real-time monitoring, analysis, and response to a wide range of safety-related issues. However, it is important to ensure that these systems are secure, reliable, and privacy-preserving, and that they are implemented in a way that respects the rights and dignity of citizens. RFIDs in safety management. Radio frequency identification, RFID technology is used in many industries to track and manage assets, inventory, and people. In the context of safety management, RFID technology can be used to track the location of workers and monitor their movements, as well as to track equipment and materials. RFID tags can be attached to workers' personal protective equipment, PPE, or embedded in their ID badges, allowing their location to be tracked in real time. This information can be used to ensure that workers are in the right place at the right time, and can be used to monitor their exposure to hazardous areas or materials. RFID technology can also be used to track equipment and materials in real time, allowing safety managers to monitor inventory levels, track the location of equipment, and ensure that equipment is properly maintained and inspected. Overall, the use of RFID technology in safety management can help to improve worker safety, increase efficiency, and reduce the risk of accidents and incidents. However, it is important to ensure that workers are properly trained on the use of RFID technology and that privacy concerns are addressed. Example of IoT and safety. There are numerous examples of IoT, Internet of Things, being used for safety purposes, including smart smoke detectors. IoT-enabled smoke detectors can detect smoke and fire, send alerts to a homeowner's smartphone, and even call emergency services in case of a fire. Smart home security systems. Smart security systems use IoT sensors to detect motion, sound, and other indicators of an intrusion. The system can send alerts to the homeowner's smartphone and even alert local authorities if necessary. Smart helmets. IoT-enabled helmets can detect impacts and send alerts to emergency services if a rider is involved in an accident. They can also monitor vital signs, such as heart rate and temperature, to detect signs of distress. Safety vests with IoT sensors. IoT-enabled safety vests can detect when a worker is in a hazardous location or has fallen, and alert supervisors or emergency services. Smart cars. IoT sensors in cars can detect hazards on the road, such as other vehicles or obstacles, and alert the driver to take action. They can also detect when a driver is drowsy or distracted and alert them to take a break. These are just a few examples of how IoT is being used for safety purposes. With the continued development of IoT technology, we can expect to see many more applications in the future.